What is the link between chronic inflammation and longevity? Several studies have identified a link between chronic inflammation and longevity. Although inflammation, such as acute inflammation, is an essential event in immune response and tissue homeostasis, chronic inflammation has been associated with chronic diseases, including diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative diseases, and cancer. These diseases are the main causes of bad quality of life and death, and therefore, significantly reduce individuals' lifespan. A group of genes named Conserved Transcriptional Response to Adversity, or CTRA, appears to play a key role in linking chronic inflammation and longevity. What is the Conserved Transcription Response to Adversity, CTRA? The CTRA gene expression pattern involves the expression of a group of genes that are involved in promoting chronic inflammation through the activation of pro-inflammatory cytokines. How is CTRA activated? CTRA gene expression appears to be induced by a signaling pathway, named the social transduction pathway, which is controlled by evolutionary traits response systems in the central nervous system, and that are triggered by adverse environmental conditions, such as poverty, stress, loss, trauma, and instability. What is the biological mechanism of CTRA induction? Biologically, adverse environmental conditions create chronic and uncertain conditions that prompt the peripheral neural signaling to secrete norepinephrine, resulting in the activation of transcription factors that induce the expression of CTRA genes. What is the relation between stress and CTRA activation? Stress is a key activator of CTRA, leading to chronic inflammation and potentially to reduced longevity. A study evaluated the correlation between stress, CTRA gene expression profile, and survival in treated breast cancer patients. Based on predicted statistical analysis, the researchers found that stress increases the expression of CTRA genes, which may result in a shorter 11-year disease-free survival in the treated breast cancer patients. They also show that cognitive behavioral stress management can limit this effect. What is the relation between anxiety and CTRA activation? Several studies demonstrated that stress is one of the main triggers of anxiety and that video gaming reduces anxiety. A study has shown that gamers with a strong social connection have a reduced CTRA expression profile compared to gamers with low social well-being. What is the relation between low socioeconomic status and CTRA activation? It has been shown that low socioeconomic status has negative effects on long-term health and longevity. By analyzing pilot data on 120 older adults from the Health and Retirement Study in the United States, from 2002 to 2010, a study showed an association between increased CTRA expression in individuals from low socioeconomic status, who had extended periods of threat, uncertainty, or adverse life circumstances, when compared with individuals from higher socioeconomic groups. What is the relation between grief and CTRA activation? The relationship between widowhood and CTRA expression was evaluated by bioinformatics analysis of data from 36 widows and 27 non-bereaved married women as controls. The results showed an increased expression of some CTRA genes in widowed women compared to controls. What is the relation between happiness and CTRA? By studying the correlation between happiness and CTRA gene expression in a sample of 22 women who survived breast cancer, a study showed that eudaimonic well-being, a state of being happy and feeling healthy, reduces the CTRA pro-inflammatory gene expression and increases the expression of the antiviral and antibody-related CTRA immune subcomponent. What is the relation between cancer and CTRA? It has been shown that beta-adrenergic receptor, which binds adrenaline, activates transcription factors that lead to the expression of CTRA genes. A study reported that the inhibition of the beta-adrenergic receptor, using the beta-adrenergic antagonist, propranolol, decreases CTRA gene expression in individuals that received autologous hematopoietic cell transplant for multiple myeloma. In conclusion, increasing longevity may rely on multi-layers interventions that include lifestyle changes through improving living conditions, reducing stress, promoting positive attitudes and behaviors, but may also involve pharmacological approaches that can interfere with the pathways that trigger the CTRA gene expression. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this.